Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Want to Stay. Today in this video let's learn about how to create a new community in WhatsApp. So let's get started. At first let's go to WhatsApp app. So here it is. Now we need to click on this chat like icon in the bottom right corner. So let's tap on this and here we can see new community written over here. So let's tap on this. Now click on get started. Now name your community and click on this proceed icon, green icon in the right. So now click on add group if you want to. Now you can add by creating a new group or simply add existing group. Let's go for existing one and add the groups you want to add and click on proceed in the bottom right corner. And they're added. So this is all you can do to create a new community in WhatsApp. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.